Welcome to the IUM eLibrary tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you how to access and use the platform, from login to searching for eBooks, audiobooks, and more. IUM eLibrary is majorly built according to the reference materials included in the outline of each course module of IUM's curriculum. It consists of books, articles, and book chapters. This collection also features moot court videos produced by Kulliyya of Sharia and Law, and some audiobooks of IUM publications. To get started, visit ebooks.ium.edu.mv. This is your gateway to the full collection of IUM eLibrary. Now, our entire ebook collection is available online, accessible from anywhere at any time. If you're a new user, begin by selecting the Register option on the eLibrary homepage. Make sure to enter your official IUM email address, as registration is only possible using IUM-provided emails. You will receive an email with your login details after registration. Kindly update your password after signing in. To make the process easier, a step-by-step guide is available to assist you with registration and password change. You can access it by visiting the link shown, or scanning the QR code on screen. Once logged in, you'll see IUM eLibrary homepage. To find a book, simply type in search bar. Click your chosen title and select Read in Browser to begin reading. A basic search got over 200 results. To narrow this down, let's use Advanced Search. Advanced Search offers multiple options, such as searching by title, author, or publisher, and provides more precise results by allowing you to refine your search. Now, with Advanced Search, only 2 results remain. Click your desired book to read. Click Create a Shelf button to make a folder and organize your reading. Let's name this one Teaching and save it. Now, to add your desired books to that folder, click Add to Shelf, and select the folder. Create your personal collection for easy access anytime. To access audiobooks, type audiobooks in the search bar, and simply select the audiobook you want from the library. Once opened, click Chapters under the description to start listening.
رأسمالي نظام إسلامي اقتصاد دمدهوري أساسي تفاتو.
To access moot court videos, type moot court videos in the search bar. Click on the desired video, and once it opens, click View moot court recording here under the description. Here's more to check out from the home screen. Click Read Books to find titles you've already opened. Use keyword to quickly find related books. Click Series to view all books from a specific series. Use the author's name to see all their works available. Access IUM eLibrary anytime, anywhere. Register easily using your IUM email at ebooks.ium.edu.mv. Use advanced search options for efficient browsing. Organize your favorite books by creating custom shelves. Listen to audiobooks for convenient learning, and watch moot court videos for practical legal insights. With this concludes this tutorial. We invite library users to make full use of this valuable resource for academic excellence. Thank you.